In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to install Node. If you are on Windows, open up PowerShell. If you are on Mac or Linux, open up the terminal. First, let's see if you are already using Node on your machine or not. So run node space dash dash version. You can see on this machine, I'm running Node version 16.16.0. This is an earlier version of Node. The latest stable version is 18.16.1. Now on your machine, chances are you may not have Node or you might have an earlier version. Either way, I want you to install the latest version of Node. So open up your browser and head over to node.js.org. On the home page, you can see we have two versions of Node. One is the most stable version, also known as long-term support or LTS version, which is recommended for most users. At the time of recording this video, that's version 18.16.1. And there's always a new version which is experimental and it might not be stable. So I want you to install the LTS version, also taking into account that in the future when you are watching this video, chances are that the LTS version might be newer. If you're worried that this course is going to get outdated, don't worry. Because in this course, we are going to focus on the fundamentals. So I'm going to work with the core modules of Node. These core modules are stable. They have been there for a long time. So the code that we are going to write in this course will continue to work with the future versions of Node. Once you master the fundamentals, you can always learn about the new features that come in every version by looking at the changelog. So let's not worry about the fancy new features in Node and focus on the fundamentals. So let's go ahead and install the latest version of Node. You can see here, I get a package. Run the package. It's an installer. Grant the permission, run, and the preparation will start to install Node. It will take some time. Click on next, agree to the terms and conditions, and click next. You may change the path. I will recommend to stick to this. Next, again next, and you can check this box to automatically install the dependencies. Install, and again it will take some time to install Node. Now the installation is complete. It's quite simple and easy, and it will just take a few seconds. And now you have the terminal to install dependencies. Just follow the instructions and you're good to go. Now back to the terminal, we'll write node space dash dash version one more time and see I've upgraded my Node version to 18.16.1. Next, we're going to write our first Node program.